Hi everyone, welcome to Eflapy Digital. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a transfer call tool in VAPI so that when someone you're calling asks your agent to, hey, transfer me to a real person, an agent, a salesperson, support, or anything of that sort. Basically, someone has noticed the agent is an AI and they want to connect to a real human being, right? So you'll just have to come here at VAPI and then select this um, call here. It's called transfer call. Just select that, and then the name will be transfer call tool. You have the description here. You need to really write down these descriptions to be very specific on actually what you want, but you can actually even leave it blank. But this is what I said. This tool transfers the active calls from the agent to real human. Use it whenever the caller clearly asks to speak with a real person, you know. And do not use this tool automatically or proactively. Only trigger it once the caller explicitly says that. So you can tell it this tool is for what purpose, under what circumstances do we use, and under what circumstances we don't use it. And now for the most crucial part is the destination part. You need to add a destination, and then you have this setting pop up here. Now this is the phone number that you'll be transferring the call to. Maybe it's your phone number or your CEO phone number or the salespeople phone number. No, the number that you use in your business to do all those other things that you're trying to call people to know about. And then you have the extension. This you can just leave it alone. It's not really important, but you need to ensure you've activated this. And then now the caller ID is the phone number that you're using for your agents in VAPI. So that's what you're going to paste it in here. And then the message to the customer. Once someone says, now transfer me to the human, so the agent will say, all right, let me connect you to the real person now. Just stay on the line for a moment. And then as I transfer you, please stay on the